So Google Gemini recently released a new feature called Gems, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and most importantly how you can make money with it. So let's get started. Alright, so here we are on the Google Gemini dashboard and this Gem feature will work on any plan. So here I'm using the free one. Over here on the sidebar you will see an option called Gems. Just click on that and now you can create two types of gems here. The first one is the gems made by Google Labs using Opal, which is basically a no-code AI app builder. And the second one is pretty much like the custom GPT. I actually made a video recently on the ChatGPT project feature and this is exactly the same thing. Now let me show you how you can create both these types of gems. First, let's check the Google Labs version. At the top here, you will see some ready-made gems like Recipe Genie, Marketing Maven, stuff like that. Let's try this one and see what happens. So this is actually a mini app which gives you the full content and the marketing strategy by just giving your product name and a single line description of what the product does. So let's click start and it's asking the product name. So let's say WhatsApp AI agent. And for the description, let's put WhatsApp AI agent which works as a customer support agent 24/7. Now it's gonna create this complete marketing strategy for us and let's see what it builds. And here we go, it created the whole web page with all the content marketing strategy. Blog post series, webinar, video tutorials, all that stuff. So that's how these mini apps work. And now I will show you how we can create our own mini app for our own unique idea. So just go back and scroll down a bit. And you will see an option new gem. Just click on that and it opens up this prompt page. There is some prompt here you can try. So let's ask create an app which converts my product photos into professional white background images with realistic shadows in 4K quality. Now let's hit enter and it's analyzing our idea and building the app configuration. This will take around 1 to 2 minutes. And here we go, here is the mini app it created called Pro Background. Let's try it out. Click start and here we can upload the image. So let me grab one. So this is the image I am going to use. Now click enter. Now it's processing our request and on the left side you can see all the steps it going through. Generate image editing instruction, modify product image, all that. And it's done. It actually built a whole web page with the product details and here is the processed image. But here's the thing, I don't need all this description and stuff. I only need the original image and the processed one. So let's change it. We have the option to edit the steps here. So let's tell in the output we only need the given image and the final output, nothing else. Okay, now it's updating the configuration. And it's done. Let's click start, upload the same image again and it's processing our request. And here we go. Now we can see the given image and the processed one with the white background. Let me open it in a new tab and download it. So this is how the image looks and the shadow looks perfect on this. So that's how you can create mini app as a gem. You can try any idea you have, just put it in a simple prompt and it will turn into a functional mini app. Alright, now let me show you how we can create the second type of gem and then at the end I'm gonna share you the secret method how to monetize and how to make money with that. Go back and scroll down to the bottom. So this type of gem is basically where you give it a pre-instruction. Tap on new gem. Let's say I want to create a gem for writing my YouTube short video scripts. So let's put the name as Ghost Content Writer and the description as create viral short video scripts. And here we can put the instruction on what the gem should do and how it should respond. To create a good structured prompt, let me open Google Gemini in a new tab and ask create a detailed instruction for a Google Gem where I share my raw video script. It should add a great hook, modify the script to fast-paced style and add a clear CTA at the end. Okay, now it's drafting the detailed instruction and it's done. Let me copy it and just paste it here. And here we have an option to select the default tool. For example, if you are creating a custom gem for specifically for image generation by using Nano Banana, you can just choose it here. Otherwise, just leave it as default. And here we can attach the file for context. So let me attach two files. One has viral hooks like this, and the second one is my previous video script, so it can understand my video style. Once that's done, just click save, and here we go, our gem is ready. Now let's try it out. It opened a chat window. So let me paste one of my previous video raw script. Here I'm not giving any extra instruction like add a great hook or just like create, make it fast-paced style or anything, because the instruction is already there. Now hit enter and it's analyzing our request. And here we go, it created 3 different hooks and then the fast-paced script and a clear CTA at the end. So that's how it works. We can save so much time on repetitive tasks where you did normally have to give the same instruction over and over. And you can control the response by adding more specific instructions. You can create gems for cold email writing or any kind of specific image generation or whatever you have in your mind. Okay, now let's talk about how you can actually use this gem feature to make money. So let's say you created a custom gem like this. There is a ton of short form creators on Instagram or YouTube who is struggling to write better hooks and script. So you could find 50 to 100 viral hooks and then add them as context and add really specific instruction to make the script way better. And your cost for creating this gem is absolutely zero, and you can sell it to creators for at least $20 a month or just like a one-time payment. And the best part is that once you create a gem, you can sell it to as many people as you want. It's literally like a digital product. So if you want to sell the gem you created, just use this share option and send it to their email. It's that simple. You can do the same thing with the mini app version also. Like here, I just built another one for creating social media posters. All we have to do is just give the product image and the offer as text. So it will create the design ready to post on social media in seconds. As you know, most local business owners aren't that much technical, so they don't know how to use Google Gemini or the prompt stuff to create the design. So you can share your pre-built mini app with just like a 1 or 2 minute tutorial showing them how to use it. So it will be so easy for them to follow if they are non-technical at all. So it all comes with your own idea. Just pick a specific industry or a specific niche problem and then create a solution, show the proof and sell it. So I hope you understand about the gems feature and the way you can monetize it. And if you have any questions or doubt, feel free to let me know in the comments. And I will be uploading more AI and automation videos in the upcoming days. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.